There are many changes that happen to our eyes as we get older. Have you noticed that you have to hold a book or a newspaper farther away to read it? That you can't see things up close without reading glasses? This condition is called presbyopia. What that means is your natural lens is losing its ability to focus on near objects. Much like adjusting the focus on a camera, in a healthy eye, the lens flexes and changes shape to properly focus on objects at different distances. But as your eyes age, the lenses in your eyes lose their flexibility. The result can be diminished up-close vision. Wouldn't it be great if there was a way to correct presbyopia as well as cataracts at the same time? Well, thanks to advances in lens replacement technology, there is. Your doctor can talk to you about the different options that are right for your eyes before your procedure.